Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with admin access. Make a quick system restore point because changes can affect other settings. Once done, press Win plus R to open Run. If you have Windows 10 Pro or Enterprise, type gpedit. MSC and press Enter to use group policy. If you're on Home, type regedit and press Enter to open Registry Editor. Make sure to export the registry key you'll change. That gives you a rollback if anything goes wrong. Now apply the restriction. In Group Policy, go to User Configuration, right arrow Administrative Templates, right arrow Control Panel, right arrow Personalization, then enable Prevent Changing Desktop Background. Once enabled, it blocks the interface options. If using Registry Editor, navigate to hkcu/software/Microsoft/current version/policies/active desktop. Create a word named No Changing Wallpaper and set it to 1. Finish by enforcing the policy. Open an elevated command prompt and run gpupdate/force. If you use the registry, sign out and sign back in or restart Explorer to apply the lock. Make sure the background options and settings are grayed out. That confirms success. If it still changes, check for conflicting policies under HKLM, roaming profile sync, or third-party wallpaper apps. Disable them first. If needed, restore your exported registry key and revisit the correct policy path to reapply cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.